Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use silicone flower molds for fondant. First, ensure your silicone mold is clean and dry. Lightly dust the mold cavities with a small amount of cornstarch or powdered sugar using a soft brush. This step is crucial for easy release. Next, take your fondant and knead it thoroughly until it becomes smooth and free of any cracks. This makes it much easier to work with and ensures a perfect impression. Now let's fill the mold. Take a small ball of your prepared fondant, roughly the size of the mold cavity. Press it firmly into the mold, making sure to push it into all the intricate details of the flower design. Use your thumb or a small modeling tool to ensure every part of the mold is filled. Then, with a straight edge, like a palette knife or a ruler, carefully scrape away any excess fondant from the top surface of the mold. Once the mold is filled and excess fondant is removed, it's time for the exciting part, demolding. Gently flex the silicone mold from the sides to help release the fondant. Then, carefully peel back the mold, starting from one edge, allowing the delicate flower to pop out. Be patient and avoid pulling or stretching the fondant. Place your beautiful new fondant flower onto a piece of parchment paper or a non-stick mat to dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. After demolding, let your fondant flowers dry completely for at least a few hours, or even overnight, to ensure they hold their shape. Once dry, you can add beautiful details using edible dusts, paints, or even a touch of edible glitter to bring your flowers to life. Remember to always store any unused fondant in an airtight container to keep it fresh and pliable for your next creative project. Happy decorating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.